As the anticipated launch of the next generation Samsung Galaxy S series in January 2024 approaches, leaks are surfacing rapidly. The S24 Ultra is a smartphone that stands out in the crowd, not just for its impressive features, but also for its unique design. It boasts the thinnest bezel and the thickest middle frame in the smartphone market, making it a device of extremes. Recently, a tech insider Ice Universe shared on his X account, formerly known as Twitter, few more leaks about the design and the display of the device. That the S24 Ultra's bezel measures a mere 1.52 mm, making it the narrowest in the industry. This ultra-thin bezel gives the phone a sleek modern look and allows for a larger screen area, enhancing the user's viewing experience. However, the S24 Ultra doesn't stop at having the thinnest bezel. It also holds the record for the thickest middle frame in a smartphone, reaching 1.85 mm. This robust middle frame adds to the phone's durability and gives it a distinctive look. When you add the measurements of the bezel and the middle frame, the total comes to 3.4 mm. This combination of a thin bezel and a thick frame is a design choice that sets the S24 Ultra apart from other smartphones. A few months ago, Ice Universe mentioned that if aesthetics are a priority for you, you might want to steer clear of the black version of the S24 Ultra. The contrast between the thin bezel and the thick frame is more pronounced in this color, which some might find less appealing. The S24 Ultra is a smartphone that pushes the boundaries of design. With its ultra-thin bezel and thick middle frame, it offers a unique look and feel. Whether this design choice appeals to you is a matter of personal preference. Ice Universe also shared side-by-side images of the Galaxy S24 Ultra and S22 Ultra. The S24 Ultra looks way more beautiful than the S22 Ultra. In the image, it is also clear that the display size of the Galaxy S24 Ultra is bigger than the S22 Ultra, and the display is much more flatter. Apart from design, we are also getting lots of features in the phone, including the Generative AI, that will make most of the things much easier for the users. One thing is for sure, the S24 Ultra is a smartphone that won't go unnoticed. What are your opinions about the upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra? Do you like the flat display? For what reason you are planning to buy the Galaxy S24 series device? Do let us know in the comments section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.